guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is Misab.
This lani kulutod.
So here we are for another vlog. So mag-love challenge kami. Ay, magkakita kami ng funny videos namin. So like na.
If you're
Lahat.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and
You know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're
Pinapilan mo ako, pinalo mo ako, alin ako. Wait, dito naman. Nakakiti yan eh.
refrigerated pie.
Isig kita.
Eat it 2 weeks.
O, di nakatawa ba? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Upo ka lang.
Natipon ako.
Ay, ito.
So guys,
Ah.
ko yung unad ko sa kwarto.
Wala na ako pen.
Okay. Wait. Sino ka?
Bolo ko dyan.
Okay.
Uy! Nakakatawa ito. Wag na!
Ay. Wait lang.
Yan na.
So guys.
Wait. Wala yun sa script, guys. Wala yun. Ginawa ko talaga yun para makalap.
Game start. Game start.
Men, wag na!
About your new messiah, 'cause she down.
Oh, ano yun? Left or right? Right. Sige.
She down.
Go! Wait, ito. Umiyak yung kapatid ko yung sa... Favorite niya kasi yun. Napag...
Eat it 2 weeks. If you're happy.
Kung ito. Yung Barbie to, dati na to po. Last year ago. Naging bakla yun.
Alphabet. Linda. Alphabet.
So, yun lang guys. So, sana na-enjoy nyo yung aming video. Oy, likod dito. Likod na. Magpaalam ka sa guys mo.
Bye.
Magpaalam ka kay guys nyo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye guys. So
Pakita nga lang.